Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Trello board. To do this, you just need to go to your Trello account and open it, log in to your Trello account, and after that, go and click on Create. And before that, you have the choice when you create board to start your board from zero or to use a template for your board. So we click on create and we click on create board. So for this you can start from zero, and if you choose start with template, it will show you the template so you can choose between them. Well, let's create on create board, and here you should give your board a title. For example, I will call it Ahmed. After that, you choose the visibility if you want it private, and private means only the board members can see this board. Workspace admins can close the board or remove the members, or you can choose workspace, so all the members of your workspace can see and edit the board. And if you want it public, that means that anyone in the internet, if he can find this board, he can edit it and he can add himself as a member. So I advise you to choose private or workspace. For me, I will choose private. And after that, you can click on create to start from scratch, or click on start with a template. So you will use a template to create your board. So I will click on create to start from scratch. And as you can see now, our board is created, as you can see, and there is all the options available here. And of course, you can add your list. For example, this is to do, add list. You can add another one, doing, and of course done. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.